Today's Townie News Bite comes from Brasseler USA of Savannah, Georgia, where they've just released the NLXK high-speed air titanium handpiece. This 26-watt handpiece features 2 head size options and a clean head system that prevents contaminants from entering the turbine and potentially shortening its lifespan. Manufactured with precision techniques and enhanced bearing technology, the NLXK has improved durability, longevity, and stability. All right. It's also equipped with a microfilter, which prevents particles from entering the water spray and ensures ideal coverage. The handpiece is backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Brasseler USA has also recently added 3 new products to their endodontics line. The first is Endo Sequence Scout Files, which feature a reduced max flute diameter, heat-treated nickel titanium, and a precision safety tip to help you reach the most challenging of canal anatomy. The second is the ESR Endo Sequence Reciprocating File, the first reciprocating NiTi system from Brasseler. This product uses a reverse cutting flute design, heat-treated nickel titanium, and a progressive taper. And finally, Brasseler has launched the Endo Sequence BC Sealer in a high-flow version. This high flow exhibits lower viscosity when it's heated. It's also more radio opaque, making it optimized for warm obturation techniques. The sealer is biocompatible, antibacterial, and features hydroxyapatite bonding. Continue the conversation online at dentaltown.com. Content provided by